My friend and I fought a lot. Presley and I fought a lot. I don't understand people who don't fight with their friends or the people they claim they love. I don't just understand it. If you say you love somebody, love them fully and be there for them at every hour of their life. Ma Africa, men and women, bojalo bo monate. But if you rata motho, you owe it to yourself to talk to the one that you love and say, please, may we just call it. You have children at home, go home, your family needs you. Re ka se tsoge ka bojalwa ka 7 in the morning, and then you get home at 5 in the morning. That's 22 hours of being on the streets on drinking alcohol. Ase maemo. Re fitlhile mo lefatsheng beala bo le teng. Re fitlhile mo lefatsheng ra bonwa and re tlo bo tloela mo lefatsheng. So if you say to somebody, my friend, be careful and show love, because bojalwa abo hope. Presley and I fought a lot. We fought about love, we fought over work, we fought over time, we fought over professionalism, we fought about children, we fought about our wives, we fought about family, we fought about money. We fought all the time. I remember one time, Charlene will testify, I left my house in Johannesburg coming here home to Pretoria to fetch Presley because he was a nuisance and I had to pick him up and dodge. Don't laugh. Dichomitsa etsa stasikom base e ban le molao le ruteng bana ba lena molao le ruteng basadi ba lena molao le ben le molao le maikarabelo mo botshelong ba lena.